Shooting this intro a little bit later, guys. Right now I'm on daddy duty. Baby Z finally going to sleep. It's been rough with him. But in this video, we went and we found a brand new road. Definitely is next level. It wasn't fast. Like, recommended speed was 35, but it's literally a curvy road. It's our first, like, yeah, twisty. It's literally our first twisty that we found. This video was way longer. Like, I went all over the place. So I went to like a golf course. I went to a different road. We really explored, but I cut all that out and I just want to focus mainly on the twisty road part, because that was literally my favorite part of the entire trip, was going down and that road. Now, I was quiet during this little excursion because I was nervous as hell. You know, it's a new road. You're not used to going fast. You haven't really practiced a lot of turns, and there was a lot of turns in this. And not just turns in general, but like the GoPro, there's this thing we call GoPro effect. It doesn't show, like, some of these hills are like that. So it's like downhill with a sharp turn at the end. And these turns don't look as sharp as they do in real life as they do on the GoPro. So some of these are like downhill and then turn, and some are uphill and turn. But anyways, we're gonna go back, we're gonna keep practicing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. 82 or 86% of y'all are not subscribed to the channel. If you want to help the channel grow in any type of way, just hit the subscribe button, the like button, drop a comment down below, watch the video all the way through. That helps me out. Without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. Enjoy.
Not the best brakes. This is the smoothest road I've ever been on. I kind of want to go further straight, but I don't even know. La da 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 da. 50. Ain't too sketchy. I don't know what's straight. I want to go straight and just, I think I'm gonna go straight real quick and then come back. I get sketchy when cars are around, but look at this road. At least it looks like it starts off cool. Woo! What the hell is this? I don't know where it goes. Oh. What the hell? I can't see. I gotta wait. I don't know where this road goes yet. This is cool. This is like my first, like, real road, probably. What the heck, dude? This is my, oh no, I just went through so much oil. I think I'm gonna go up here and turn around. Just lightly trail brake with the deal here, look through my corner. Huh, this is literally the perfect road. I'm concentrating because these turns are sharp. Trying to find a good spot to turn around, I guess. A little trail brake. This will be a good road to come do some speed maneuvers on. Here it, oh, it takes me all the way to the highway. Okay, I get it. This is a perfect road. Yeah, this is a perfect road. Yeah, hey. Let me go ahead and turn around up here, but I don't want to let these cars get behind me. Perfect road. Oh my God, we found the perfect road, literally. Come on, baby. Let's get some practice in. Commit to the turns. It's the only way we're gonna learn. We definitely need some gear for this road. See some rocks on the ground. Look at this view, holy shit. Look at these rocks though. Gotta be careful. I can't see if there's a turn up here. No, there is. Oh my God, that was the best road we've ever found. That was an introduction. That was interesting. That's probably like the next level road to go to, literally. Getting used to turning. It felt weird trying to like, I don't know, cause I felt like some of those turns that came in a little too hot. I was trying to trail brake, and then some of them I felt like I was going a little slow, and I could have went faster. But I don't know. It's one of them things I'm just gonna have to practice on. It feels way different than these turns. I'll tell you that. It makes these turns feel easy now. Wow. Get some air. Cause I was probably being super quiet because I was like really thinking. Like really thinking. I was concentrating, boys. This might be a long video. Look at my handlebars. What the hell? They're probably like, quit letting go of them. I know, but still. Like, I don't know. They felt fine when I was riding though, so I don't know. That was fun. That was next level roads. A little nerve-wracking. Ain't gonna lie, but I'm definitely gonna have to come back and give them a try. That was fun. That was interesting. A lot of things to think about. Big bump. I don't know, I think I did okay though. Alright guys, I'm headed to the house. You've seen this road 1,000 times. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We went out and found some different roads. Not gonna lie, that twisty road, first time I ever been on it, but we did go to the golf course and stuff yesterday. But that twisty road, highway type deal, that's the first time I ever been on that in my life. That was interesting. So with that being said, we'll definitely be going back to get some practice on that. That was fun, interesting. We also hit, I think, 55 or something going straight. That used to be scary. That doesn't feel that bad anymore. That used to be terrifying. That used to be terrifying, but that doesn't really feel like anything anymore, to be honest. So hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Remember, 86% I think of you guys are not subscribed. If you want to help the channel out in any other type of way, please subscribe, leave a like, comment, watch the video all the way through. That helps the channel 1,000%. Appreciate you guys for any support, and I hope you guys have a blessed rest of the day. Peace.